What's up guys, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to be working on my Grom stunt bike build. I'm going to get my cockpit dialed in with a set of bars, grips, and bar ends from ODI, and an easy pull clutch lever and matching brake lever from one finger. So, let's get to work. Everything is disassembled, so let's start throwing it back together with new parts, starting with these bars from ODI. The handlebars are all done for now. There's more that I would like to do to them down the road. At some point, I'm going to want to get a handbrake set up, which means that this left side switch housing will be in the way of that. So that would be a good time to get a new throttle set up, get smaller switch housings, and maybe relocate them down here where they're out of the way. But that's for another day. I don't feel like I need a handbrake set up right away. I stunt ride on my Harley, and that doesn't have a handbrake on it. And more than anything, I'm really trying to learn things that apply to that bike. As for this build, I still do have a lot of stuff sitting right over there, waiting to be installed. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video on this build. If you've watched this far, I hope you guys will give this video a like, maybe drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.